Hey guys, if you're trying to click on clear history and website data and this is grayed out, then I'm going to show you how we can fix this issue. So you can see on the screen here that I can't click on my clear history and website data button. Now this is usually down to two different reasons. The first reason could be that we've already cleared the history and website data, meaning that there is nothing to clear, and this will be one reason why the button's grayed out. Now another reason could be due to restrictions on your iPhone. So we can go and fix this by just coming over to the main settings page on your phone. We're then going to scroll down until you see screen time and click on this. Then scroll down again and select content and privacy restrictions. And at the top here, you just want to go and disable and turn off privacy restrictions. Now you may need to enter the passcode to your iPhone in order to turn off this feature. And then once you've disabled this, you can then come back over to the settings page, scroll all the way down and click on apps. Go and search for Safari and click on this. And then if we scroll down again and come back down to clear history and website data, you can see that this option now is available and we can click on this to go and clear all of our search history. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.